If you adore her, Dior her. Hey guys, up, what's poppin'? How you doing? We have a very exciting unboxing for today's video. Look at these luxury goods. In today's video, we are unboxing the Dior Grandville Espadrille and walk-in Dior sneakers. Not just one, but two. Let's get it. Also, are you guys seeing these earrings and my bracelet? I'm gonna tell you guys now before you guys even ask me where my jewelry are from, because it's not just you. I'm also so obsessed with these. Like, look at them. And since I'm not that stingy, I'm actually gonna tell you guys where I got this earring. These are actually from Luisa. What is great about this brand is that they focus on their carbon neutral jewelry brand.
Mikey, what does that even mean?
It means that they minimize the carbon dioxide release to the atmosphere, but offsetting 100% of their carbon emissions. Also, on top of that, they also use raw, disposable, recyclable materials, which we love. And actually right now Luisa is running an exclusive Mother's Day sale, and you can get buy one get one 40% off. I know how expensive jewelry can be, but let me tell you, Luisa actually has a lot of fair price jewelry that are high quality. Like, look at these. So there's definitely some pieces for everybody, including your mom. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to match with me, I will put the links down below if you guys want to check it out. I feel like you need to take advantage of this exclusive sale. I can assure you that you're getting a good quality product for a good price. And I just wanted to tell you that you and your mama deserve it. Anyways, let's move on. As you guys can see, this box has been long overdue because it still has the holiday packaging. If you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come subscribe, it's free 99. So which one should we do, the sneakers or the sandals? I would go with this actually. So as you guys can see, this is the walk-in Dior sneakers. Yes. Oh, one thing that I forgot that I'm not supposed to forget, because I love this part. We do have the stars. This is the last time I will see it again because, you know, it's not holiday anymore. Alright, inside we do have the receipt right here. And this one has a retail price of $1,050. That's that. I can't wait to show you guys because this actually matches the bag that I showed you guys a couple weeks ago. Let me show you now. Alright, okay. So this is what the box looks like. Okay, and you can actually see the picture of the shoes right there, and then the size and the price and the color. Yeah, let's just open it. This shoe actually has two kinds of colorway. What we got right here is the deep blue. They also have the light gray. What I see in the box, this little bag right here, some extra laces. Can you guys see it? It has a Christian Dior in this laces. Oh, I love that. That's cool. All right. Yeah, look how nice that is. Okay, so I thought what we have right here is a navy blue shoelace. This one is actually like the sandy off-white shoelace, what it's on right now. I like it. It's like perfect for very casual events. What else is in here? And it looks like we do have some bags. 2 bags actually, 1 for each shoe. That's nice. And let me show you what I'm talking about, that it matches the bag that I have right now. So let me go grab them. What am I telling you? Doesn't this match perfectly? You'll be swagging. Who uses that word anymore? Also, just a shameless plug, I've actually unboxed this on my YouTube as well, so if you guys want to check that out, click on my page and go watch that if you guys want to see me unbox this little baby right here. Alright, I'm not gonna make this any longer. Let's take a closer look of this shoe. The Walk-In Dior sneakers is distinguished by a deep blue embroidered cotton Dior oblique motif. Its relaxed design features signatures on the tongue, rubber soles, and laces for a timeless look. It features a signature on tongue, sole and laces, and a rubber sole with star, Christian Dior's lucky symbol. Very nice. In the back, you guys can just see Christian Dior, and I just love the oblique style on these. That's that. Yes. Let's move on to the second shoes that we have. This one is actually new. It's the Dior Grandville Espadrille, and I just love how classy it looks, but yet so simple. But anyways, what do we have? The receipt. This one has a retail price of $8.50. Who loves flat shoes? Are you a flat shoe or a sneaker gal? You guys know what my answer is. Sneakers all the way. So let's see what this looks like. For this kind of flats, they actually have 2 colorways. We have the black one, which is also so nice. And this is what the information looks like. Okay, let's just open her. What is this?
We recommend that you do not wear your shoe more than 2 consecutive days. Why?
Okay, I've actually never seen these before. This one also comes with 2 dust bags. Look at that embossed Christian Dior. It's just very simple. And this leather is actually so soft. So you know that your feet will not get hurt because this leather. Yeah, that's it in the box. Okay, you guys already know. Let's take a closer look of this shoe. The Dior Grandville Espadrille is an elegant and relaxed creation. Crafted in white lambskin, it is embellished with hallmark house details like the embossed Christian Dior signature on the upper. The silhouette features a traditionally crafted handmade rope sole and will complete any casual outfit. It features an embossed Christian Dior signatures on the upper and rope wedges and thin rubber sole with stars, a very Christian Dior's lucky symbol. On the website, they actually recommend for you to order half a size down because they run a little bit big. But if you do have a wider leg, not a leg, wider feet, they do recommend for you to just order your regular size. Alright guys, if you had to pick, which one will you choose? A sneaker or a sandals? Or both? I feel like for this one, you really have to take care of it, especially if it's a lamb skin. For me, to be honest, if I have to choose, I will go with the sneakers because you can rock this with a casual, semi-casual. And with this colorway, I feel like the dirt from the actual shoe will not that show. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, like I said in the beginning of this video, come check out Ana Luisa if you guys want some long-lasting jewelry. They're having their exclusive Mother's Day sale where you get buy one, get one 40% off. Also, if you guys click my link down below, you'll see my top favorites. I'm just so obsessed. And of course, I will link these shoes right here. We love. Also, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
Show me pictures of their friends, just to tell me they ain't really friends.